Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to explain how to remove RZFU ransomware. This malware is yet another sample that belongs to the stop family. It attacks users all over the world, asking for up to $980 for file decryption. The most obvious sign of the attack is the presence of ransom node titled readme.txt, and the RZFU extensions all over the place. First of all, you should remove it as quickly as possible. It carries several other viruses which extend their damage with every minute of being active. I'd recommend you to use Gridinsoft Anti-Malware for that purpose. Let's download, install, and run it. And meanwhile, I will tell you a bit more about the threats related to RZFU ransomware. The main danger of this attack chain is, of course, the ransomware. It is capable of ciphering your files, making them inaccessible. However, there are several other viruses that come along with RZFU ransomware. MD Dropper, as you may suppose from its name, aims at delivering other infections to your system. Instead of direct downloading from the C2 or installation with cracked software, it brings any other threat by a simple command. Hackers ease further infections using MD. Smokeloader Backdoor is a classic backdoor that is capable of providing cybercriminals with remote access to the system. Most often it's used to remotely guide your system to execute certain commands like DDoS attack or other malware installation. It's also capable of stealing some categories of personal information and passwords. Window Stealer is an info stealer which targets browser cookies, mailing clients, and cryptocurrency wallets. It is a hit-and-run malware which performs self-removal as soon as all routine operations for data gathering are completed. Seeing it running in your system is not a common occasion, as most of the time its operations take minutes. Nonetheless, as there are facts of it being included to the pack with the ransomware, and it is possible to repel it before it completes its task. It is especially effective considering the fact that Reader sends the data package to the C2 server just before performing self-destruction. While we were talking, Gridinsoft program successfully completed its job. It detected all the payloads that appeared during the attack. Click Clean Now to wipe them out and make your PC clean from malicious programs. Please note, Gridinsoft Anti-Malware is a malware removal program, not a decryptor. To get your files back, follow the guide of howtofix.guide. We will put the link in the description. You will find the links on detailed analysis of all malware samples in the description as well. Good luck and stay safe online.